That's how it's. Hitting. Oh! Hello friends, once again here deep in the forest. I welcome you to my forest kitchen. Today I'm gonna try out a different recipe, that is a small fish. The small fish, I'm going to steam it on banana leaf in a tribal way to get the rustic flavor of the tribal deep in the forest. So let's get started, my friends. I'm going to steam this fish and show you the process how I cook in my tribal traditional way. So let's get started, my friends. And this is my kitchen, my forest kitchen over here. My kitchen, and as you see the surrounding, no one is here to disturb you except the sound of the birds here joining me, watching me how I cook my traditional food. So let's get started, my friends. Hello. Small fish and lots of ingredients, you see, and tomato, king chili, lime, onion, mix it together with this small fish to steam it on banana leaf. So let's get started now. Little bit of yellow powder. I hardly use this black pepper, little bit, okay, and chop this. So let's start. Fresh. So see this. This salt to taste. I think that's good. Garlic, onion, this properly, like this. Perfect. For this one, I will steam it on turmeric leaf. This is not banana leaf. I'm using turmeric leaf to enhance the flavor. Okay, now this way. Then see this, buy this, like this. It's not for frying. This will go here. Let the oil get heated properly. After that, I'm going to add this right on top of the karai and cover it for some time. This is going to be ready. Low flame. Keep it. Keep it. Ah! Oh! Oh! Yeah! That's how it's. So let's have the forest feast, steam fish in a traditional way. And here I go. So friends, here the steam fish is ready to eat. So let me place this so that it will be easy for me to hold it. So nice. Wow. Oh. I forgot rice today. I'm bound to eat only the fish because I forgot rice. I forgot to bring rice. So let's have fish, steamed fish in a traditional way. My friends, hello. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like it, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Yam thagachare mi miyambu thongkuthe khublai sibun bahut dhanyawad. See you next time. Stay blessed till then. Bye bye.